The skate sharpening machine SSM-2 has been designed for the benefit of all skaters. From the beginner to the professional, whether you play ice hockey, figure skate, or play bandy. The portable SSM-2 is made for sharpening all types of skates with full control of the sharpening process. It's fast and easy to use while delivering great precision. If high-quality design and construction is important to you, then the SSM-2 is the machine for you. Its robust construction is made to deliver decades of excellent results. SSM Product, when skate sharpening matters.